Good morning, welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some mostly sunny skies across the region currently and seeing temperatures rise into the lower 40s as of 10 a.m. We'll see those temperatures today into the lower to mid 40s throughout the morning and the afternoon hours and highs around 46 degrees today. We'll see our increasing of cloud cover for later this afternoon and the evening hours as an area low pressure will move through the region tomorrow, and we'll see rain shower chances increasing across the region once we move into tomorrow morning and becoming likely after dawn. We'll see rainfall throughout the day tomorrow, and some of that could be moderate to heavy at times, even a very slight chance of a bad thunderstorm. But for the working hours today, we'll generally see good conditions, some chilly temperature this time of year, but overall fair weather. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, high pressure in control of our weather currently. That'll be the case for today. It'll slide off the coast tonight, and area low pressure will move through the region tomorrow. And taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see mostly sunny skies across the region currently, and we'll see this serious cloudiness across West Virginia and the Ohio Valley start to move towards the region for later today into tonight. And taking a look at the HRRR model for today into tomorrow, you can see the increase of cloud cover, especially the evening hours, and then overnight we'll see cloudy skies and we'll see rain showers moving the region by about dawn tomorrow and continuing throughout the day, some of that becoming moderate to heavy during the early afternoon hours, and with that a very slight chance of a thunderstorm during that time period. Move into the evening hours, we'll see that rainfall move off the coast and improving conditions overnight. Taking a look at our European model for the next few days here, you can see that high moves off the coast, air low pressure moves over the region for tonight into tomorrow. We'll see that area low pressure cross the area tomorrow afternoon, and with that high pressure builds in thereafter on our Wednesday. We'll see improving conditions. Thursday once again looks like fairly good conditions, especially in the morning hours before a dry cold front sweeps the area for late Thursday evening, and with that we'll see some chillier temperatures for Friday, high pressure in control. It looks like models are having a tough time with the next system for Friday and Saturday, how much that system does develop, as well as how much precip moves into our region for Friday and Saturday. Here the European model develops a weak low off our coast Saturday morning with the possibility of some rain showers across the region and even enough cold air to the very north and western portions of the Mid-Atlantic region, seeing some possibility of some mixed precipitation across that area. But overall, not a very good or high level of confidence with this system moving into the weekend, as models have been waffling back and forth in development and placement of the low. Moving into our Sunday, we'll see in general high pressure and control, looking like continued chilly conditions across the area. Taking a look at our risk chart for today, we'll see in general green conditions today, and then deteriorating conditions once we move into Tuesday morning with the rain activity overhead and seeing rain showers likely. We'll see our high today around 46, low tonight during the evening hours of 34. We'll see northerly winds today 8 to 13 knots, gust to 18 knots, and then become light and variable by later this afternoon into the early overnight hours. We'll pick up a southeasterly wind by tomorrow morning around 7 to 12 knots. We'll see VFR conditions today, and then when we move in the overnight hours, we'll see low-level cloud cover build in with the rainfall activity moving in and seeing an overcast deck around 1,000 feet tomorrow morning at 8 local. Our tides are running normal. We get Tuesday and a Wednesday. Tuesday, overcast, rain likely, very slight chance of an embedded thunderstorm, slightly breezy with the low clouds likely. We'll see a high of 54 degrees. That really determines will be dependent on the area of low pressure and how close it does get to us. Some of the modeling is indicating we could see some upper 50s briefly on Tuesday afternoon. Right now going with mid 50s for this forecast. However, we'll see a red condition for our rainfall on Tuesday, so a very high probability we see rain throughout the day, as well as seeing those low clouds in the area throughout the day on our Tuesday. Looks like the best chance of a wind advisory, if we do see it, will come during the evening hours on Tuesday as the air low pressure moves off the coast, seeing some cold air advection move in the region, giving us some slightly breezy conditions. Our Tuesday night, we'll see mostly cloudy skies and breezy early, becoming partly cloudy to mostly clear. We'll see a low around freezing by Wednesday morning. And for Wednesday, we'll see sunny skies to partly cloudy skies, a high of 45 degrees. So next 7 days, looking at those chilly temperatures continuing for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Coolest of those days will come on Friday with a high of only 43 degrees, 20% chance of a shower during the late afternoon, the evening hours. And as I mentioned, really uncertain of this pattern for Friday to Saturday of how much activity or precipitation moves in the region. 50% chance right now of a shower Saturday morning, a high of 46. And for Sunday, looks like we could have another system quickly approaching, but most of the day on Sunday looks dry with a high of 48 degrees. We'll also see some overnight lows below freezing from Wednesday morning through Friday morning, with the coldest morning of Friday morning into the mid-20s, so we'll feel quite cold on Friday morning to end the work week. Well, that'll complete the 10 a.m. weather forecast. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning, 8:15, 10 a.m.